Hello, hello. Just came on real quick to talk about how AI is impacting all of our lives, especially in business, and how it's going to impact your business life as a business owner. Not to be afraid of it, and just knowing that everyone is still trying to figure out this whole AI thing. So don't get discouraged if you're not feeling like you're up on the latest and greatest. A lot has been changing, especially with the generative AI, meaning more of the content type of AI, large language models, where you can actually get AI to help you with things like content creation, blog creation, how to write an email, how to write a thank you note, anything dealing with a lot of just transferring and writing content. That's where you're going to get a lot of the application when dealing with a lot of the AI. Of course, we've seen all the images other people playing around with, creating these crazy characters or whatever. I like to see those as cutesy kind of thing, but not really for a business application. But as more data goes in, I can see those being more applicable for helping with building content creation. So let's just talk really quickly about AI, and we're going to speak more on the ChatGPT. There's several different tools out there when dealing with AI. A lot of them are already leveraging the OpenAI ChatGPT API. And as a matter of fact, I'm in the process of actually building a couple of little pet projects. I'm getting back in there and trying to build a couple of web apps to be able to leverage some of this AI power, and to be able to build some tools that people can actually use for business. One of them being making it really easy to just put in a few form field information, and on the back end have all the prompting already generated for the user, so that it makes it easier for them to get the effective answers they need back from ChatGPT. And another one is to be able to do more impact analysis on, basically what your current lifestyle is now. You want to make a big purchase. How does that impact your current situation? So those are two projects that I'm in the middle of working on getting off the ground. It should be pretty fun, so I can't wait. And it's definitely going to be leveraging a lot of different types of large language models. But, I was looking at this article here, and it's from ZDNet, and it's saying AI and automation, business leaders adopt small scale solutions for greater impact. So everywhere you go online now, you're going to see everyone's talking about AI and marketing automation, AI and this and that or whatever. A lot of it isn't even really AI. We've had workflows and things of that nature before, but a lot of it what people are talking about aren't really truly AI. I can see if someone is leveraging the power of some of these large language models and program it off of the responses, but I can't see a lot of these applications spurred up in like less than a year, since a lot of this ChatGPT stuff has started coming around, and they've already created the technology for it. So a lot of it is more buzzword stuff to kind of get your attention, which is working. If you're looking for any help with any kind of AI help, I'm working on some things now, and they look very promising, and it's been working out for people. So if you need some help with, either content creation, either marketing automation by leveraging AI, not so much AI marketing automation, give me a call, email me, you can DM me or anything like that, and we can just sit down and discuss your options to see what we can actually find out would be the best thing for you. But just getting back to this article, so you got companies that have decided to go ahead and start working some of this AI stuff into some of their day-to-day life. Some of the stuff that I do like the text-to-speech kind of stuff, The to voice to content. Basically, I can be inside of a Teams meeting, and there's somewhat like an assistant taking notes, relevant notes, not just everything, but you can train these assistants to be able to create relevant notes so that you can get either the gist of the meeting, you can better analyze what the meeting was about, a more robust note taking. So there's some companies out there that are making use of that technology. I do like the fact that you're able to now upload images into ChatGPT, and it can actually analyze the photo and let you know what's going on with the photo. So a lot of that stuff in the next year or so is going to be phenomenal, because you got a lot of people that are doing different things, whether it's for business or just for playing around with it, and the AI is just learning. So I can see a lot of companies trying to leverage a lot of the content creation, but also some of the other stuff to help more of an assistant, because really it's just a tool. When we think about AI, we're not talking about the Terminator type where it's programming large robots to be able to do certain tasks for you. We're just talking about just AI that can get a little bit of information and provide us with a very useful answer. A lot of times, even with using the AI, you have to understand how to best prompt the AI just for you to get the right answer. So it makes sense that you understand prompting, but also understand what the answer you're looking for, because a lot of that, you can't just always take the first thing that the AI brings back to you. Usually they're in a really good ballpark, but sometimes your prompting can actually get you a lot closer to the answer you're looking for. So understanding how to use good prompting is very key. So I can see a lot of jobs coming up where you have what you call, I guess, prompting engineers. So people that are able to leverage the AI and to build this database of just like prompts, and people can go in and easily just input certain data, and they can be able to get the exact information they want. So let's say, for instance, I want to be able to get a list of, not a list, but create me a email, 7-day email workflow, or 7-day email for email list for nurturing new real estate leads to be able to best spark a conversation with me via phone. So that's something real simple. I probably would have, based on the response back, fine tune that response. So, once you get the answer you get from the AI, it's easy to say, hey, I didn't really like that response you gave me before, or there are pieces of it that I did like. Let's expand on those. Or I like what you have here. Let's expand on each one of the bullet points. Or let's expand on this particular bullet point, but let's get rid of the rest of the stuff. So it's really pretty intuitive when it comes to just communicating and working with the AI. And the funny thing is, a lot of times it seems so accommodating that, sure, it's like, sure, like, I'll take care of it, So it's more like an assistant than anything else. But yeah, I just want to get on really quickly for any business owners out there, entrepreneurs, especially solopreneurs, that are thinking about or have thought about using AI and thinking, hey, I don't have all the answers. No one does. There's no one out there has all the answers, but it's all about just getting that first step, getting just getting comfortable with it. I would say just downloading the ChatGPT app on your phone and just start putting stuff in it. That's pretty much what I did. Once the app was available, I just started putting things in there. Make sure you're not putting any personal information there, and ChatGPT in the terms tell you not to add any kind of personal information in there, but more, general things that, that you actually would like to actually have answers for. And you'll be amazed as the time goes on. You'll learn more about what kind of things garners the best type of results when trying to prompt your prompt the AI. So again, if you have any questions, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment. If you need to reach out to me, info@christopherwalker.io, or you can actually direct message me. Either way is fine. But I'm going to be making some more content on AI because it's a hot thing right now, and a lot of businesses need to know how to leverage it. So, all right, take care.